Grok, the most rebellious AI on the internet. Built by Elon Musk and his team at XAI. Designed to answer questions that other models dodge completely. It plugs directly into X for real-time global information. While other AIs rely on stale, static training data, Grok knows what happened in the world moments ago. It comes preloaded with a distinct sense of humor. Expect sarcastic banter, dark jokes, and pure honesty. But under that witty exterior lies serious technical power. It solves complex code and mathematical problems effortlessly. It analyzes visual data and breaks down trends instantly. Unfiltered truth-seeking is its main core philosophy. It rarely gives preachy lectures or politically safe answers. You get raw data delivered with an edgy attitude. Want to know what is blowing up the internet? Grok summarizes millions of posts in just a heartbeat. Fast, rebellious, and evolving at a terrifying speed. The ultimate wildcard fighting for the AI throne. Love it or hate it, you cannot look away. Grok is not just an assistant, it is unpredictable. Okay, meet Gemini, Google's ultimate AI powerhouse. Built from the ground up to be truly multimodal. It does not just read text, it sees, hears, and understands. Plugged straight into the massive Google ecosystem you use daily. Gmail, Docs, Drive, and YouTube all connected in real time. Need to summarize a 2-hour-long video instantly? Gemini analyzes every frame and word in seconds. It boasts a mind-boggling context window for massive data. Feed it whole books, massive codebases, or complex documents. It remembers every single detail without missing a beat. Deep logical reasoning is where it truly shines brightest, solving complex math, debugging code, and organizing chaos. Its image generation is razor-sharp, seamlessly blending search intelligence with creative flair. It works quietly in the background of your smartphone, transforming how you search, plan, and create every day. Backed by Google's insane computing infrastructure and research, constantly evolving to anticipate your next move. The ultimate digital assistant living right in your pocket. Gemini isn't just an AI, it's your entire digital world connected. Okay, let go. ChatGPT, the king that started the global AI revolution, launched by OpenAI and changing everything overnight. It brought conversational intelligence to every single household. Millions rushed to the website just to test its limits. You ask a question, and it answers instantly like a human, writing essays, drafting code, or brainstorming ideas effortlessly. Its clean dark and white interface became universally iconic, powered by advanced language models that keep getting smarter. GPT-4 turned complex reasoning into a walk in the park. Voice mode made talking to AI feel completely natural now. But heavy traffic can sometimes crash its servers instantly. Watching that loading will spin can test your patience. Yet it remains the default standard for millions worldwide. Every other tech giant has been playing catch-up since day one. It bridges the gap between science fiction and everyday reality, transforming workflows from tedious chores into simple fun. The pioneer that showed the world what machines can truly do. Love it or depend on it, it changed how we think. The absolute giant that paved the road for the future. ChatGPT started an era we can never go back from. A powerhouse emerging from China to challenge the global giants. It didn't focus on hype, it focused on sheer efficiency, famous instantly for unbelievable coding skills right out of the box. Developers watched in absolute awe as it matched GPT-4 in benchmarks, mastering complex programming tasks with incredible speed and precision. Coding isn't its only superpower by a long shot. DeepSeek v3 showed massive leaps in logical reasoning capabilities, solving difficult mathematical problems without even breaking a sweat. It processes vast amounts of information with razor-sharp focus. It represents a new wave of smarter, extremely efficient model training, offering state-of-the-art performance that's also open-weight, democratizing access to top-tier AI models for everyone, while others keep their best models locked down tight. DeepSeek believes in sharing the technological wealth openly, quietly rising to become a serious global standard in silence. It's not just about the model. It's about changing the rules of the game. Highly efficient, remarkably powerful, and surprisingly disruptive. The smart money in the industry is watching this dark horse closely. DeepSeek is here, and it is only just getting started. Your ultimate everyday digital assistant, built right into the Windows ecosystem you already use. It bridges the gap between chaos and total productivity. Need to write an email? It drafts it in seconds. Stuck on an Excel spreadsheet? Copilot fixes the formulas instantly. Powered by advanced OpenAI tech inside Microsoft's secure network, it turns complex documents into short, clear bullet points. From drafting Word documents to organizing your PowerPoint slides, it handles the boring corporate chores effortlessly. Programmers use it in VS Code to autocomplete and debug code. It's like having a brilliant coworker sitting right inside your screen. Always ready in your taskbar, just a single click away. No need to switch tabs or open separate browser windows. It brings web search and AI reasoning straight to your desktop, transforming how you work, code, and create every single day, seamlessly integrating into your professional and personal life. Fast, reliable, and deeply embedded where you need it most. The smart shortcut that saves you hours of repetitive typing. Microsoft's powerful answer to the modern AI revolution. So let's get to the important thing. Ever felt like most AIs sound like a boring corporate robot? That is where Claude changes the entire game for you. Built by Anthropic with a heavy focus on deep nuance. Look closely at how it writes. It actually sounds human. No robotic cliches, just clean, natural phrasing. It handles massive documents with a staggering context window. Drop an entire book or a massive codebase right into it. It reads between the lines better than almost anyone else. Notice its strict safety guardrails, often called constitutional AI. Sometimes it feels overly cautious, refusing simple tasks. Yet, its reasoning depth and complex analysis is undisputed. Programmers and writers swear by its precise logic. It analyzes complex human emotions and subtle contexts effortlessly. While others chase raw speed, Claude chases intellectual depth. You ask a tough philosophical question, and it actually thinks. It dissects arguments from multiple angles without taking sides. A quiet intellectual giant sitting right in your browser tab. Is it the ultimate writer's companion you have been looking for? The industry standard for pure text comprehension and style.
Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed the important clip you saw. We will prepare more clips soon. Please subscribe and tell us what you like in the comments. And